Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Plus500 to TradingView. There's going to be a full guide, and once you launch TradingView, what you want to do is come here and click on the trading panel here at the bottom, okay? See a bunch of options, go ahead and click on trading panel. And from here, you'll be able to see all their trusted brokers. All you need to do is scroll down until you find Plus500 US. Now go ahead and click on it. Just keep in mind, guys, you can only do this if you are in the US. If you are from the UK, Australia, Canada, any other country, you cannot do this. Only if you're from the US, you can connect Plus500 to TradingView. So go ahead and click on Plus500 US right here. Okay. And it's going to give you this pop-up. Go ahead and click on connect. So choose whatever account you want to connect to, your live account or your demo account. So choose connect. They're going to ask you to log in to TradingView. And once you do so, you have basically connected your Plus500 to TradingView. Really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.